LASCA-TD Installation Manual, Part 1, Hardware Installation. Here we show the launching and startup of the laser particle analyzer LASCA. Please follow these important steps to ensure successful installation of the LASCA analyzer. No measurements can be performed until the instrument has been successfully installed according to these instructions. When unpacking the instrument, please make sure that all parts are included. The shipping box should contain Lasca Instrument, computer block, power cord, USB plug, 3 hose tubes, 2 blacks and 1 blue, 2 original quartz cells with 2 hose tubes integrated, pipette, standards of 3 sizes, ultrasonic tube. The instrument should be placed in an area free of dust, liquids and acidic vapors and on a surface that is flat and even. Avoid surfaces and areas subject to vibrations and direct sunlight. A minimum of 10 cm of open space is required around the instrument. Prior to turning on the instrument for the first time, let the instrument adapt to room temperature for at least 3 hours to avoid condensation, which can cause a short circuit. Before the start of each working day, we recommend turning on the instrument, laser and stir 15 minutes prior to the experiment for the laser warm-up and thermostating system startup. Rotate the device through 180 degrees, thus the back of the device is upon you. There are 5 splits, one for power jack, USB receptacle, blue split for distilled water supply, 2 black splits for waste removal. Mount USB plug, power cord and 3 hose tubes as indicated. Blue hose tube should be positioned into a distilled water storage tank, black hose tubes into waste container. The right side of the device is featured with the holder for the all-in-one PC. After the PC is mounted, hardware peripherals should be wired up. Make sure you have 3 available receptacles for system installation. Before the device starting, take the original quartz cell with 2 hose tubes injected and stir inside. There is a mark on the side of the cell which should face the laser, which is on the left side of the device. Mount the cell and plug the hose tubes into the splits as indicated, the short one for distilled water supply, the longer one for waste elimination. Remove the plastic covering mask from the left side of the device to reach the fluid power system. It's only for the first time, just to control it. Press the start button on the back right side of the device. The short washing cycle will start automatically after the device launching. There is a panel for the device operation system activation on the screen of the right side of the device. Press start to launch and initialize the analyzer. On the control board you can find 3 switchers, one for the laser and 2 for stir bars. One stir is for the original quartz cell, another one for the sample preparation unit.